Many people wait for perfect English before they speak, but life does not wait. Situations come suddenly, and in those moments, simple English is enough. You do not need perfect sentences, you need usable English. Let us understand why speaking now matters and how listening can become your biggest strength. Speak even when English is not perfect. Real life situations do not wait for perfect grammar. Life keeps moving forward. In these moments, simple sentences work. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you help me? 1 minute, please. These sentences are not perfect, but they are powerful. They do the job, and every time you use them, become stronger. Many people hesitate because they imagine the worst. They imagine embarrassment, judgment, or failure. But real life is usually much kinder than our imagination. Most people are patient, they listen, they try to help, and even if someone does not understand you, that is not a disaster. It is just part of communication. Misunderstandings happen even between native speakers. People smile, repeat, explain again, and move on. You can do the same. Nervousness is normal. Speak anyway. Let us normalize nervousness. Feeling nervous doesn't mean you should stop. It means you care. It means something matters to you. Your hands may feel warm. Your heart may beat faster. Your voice may shake a little. That is okay. Speak anyway. Courage does not mean no fear. Courage means speaking while fear is present. Each time you do this, your brain learns something important. Speaking English is not dangerous. Slowly, fear loses its power. Perfectionism stops progress. Perfectionism says, if it is not perfect, don't say it. But perfectionism kills progress. Language is not built through perfect moments, it is built through messy ones. When you allow yourself to speak imperfectly, you allow your brain to practice. Practice is how skills grow. Silence doesn't improve pronunciation. Silence does not improve confidence. Silence keeps everything the same. Here is a powerful truth. Speaking creates readiness. Readiness does not come before speaking. Start small, very small. When you speak, even with limited English, your brain starts working faster. Your listening improves, your memory improves, your reaction speed improves. These things do not happen when you stay quiet. They happen when you participate. Start small. One sentence is enough. One word is enough. A short reply is enough. Say hello. Say thank you. Ask one simple question. Answer briefly. The small actions may look small, but their effect is huge. They are the building blocks of fluency. Many small moments create big change. Weak English is not a problem. You might think, my English is too weak. Listen carefully. Your English will never become strong without being weak first. Weakness is not a stage to avoid, it is a stage to pass through. Every fluent speaker passed through it. The difference between fluent speakers and silent learners is not talent, it is action. Mistakes mean learning. Mistakes are not signs that you should stop. They are signs that learning is happening. When you speak and make a mistake, your brain notices it. It adjusts. Next time, it does better. That is how learning works. If you never speak, your brain has nothing to adjust. Growth stops. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone's journey is different. You are not competing. You are building your own skill. Ask yourself just one question. Did I speak today? If the answer is yes, you are moving forward. Make this promise to yourself. Make a simple promise. I will speak even when I feel unsure. I will speak even when my sentences are short. I will speak even when my voice is not confident yet. Because confidence does not come first. Confidence follows action. One day you will look back and realize something surprising. The moment you stopped waiting was the moment English became real. Not perfect, not magical, but usable. And that is enough. Speak now. Readiness will meet you on the way. Listening is your superpower. Many learners believe speaking is the most important skill, so they focus only on words, grammar, and sentences. When speaking does not improve quickly, they feel frustrated. But fluent speakers know a secret. Listening comes before speaking. Listening builds speaking. And when done correctly, listening is your greatest superpower. Most listeners listen passively. They play a video or movie and hope English enters their brain automatically. When they don't understand much, they stop. Smart listening is different. Smart listening doesn't mean understanding every word. It means training your brain to recognize patterns, rhythms, and meaning over time. Listen for meaning, not every word. Think about your own language. You do not hear every word clearly. There is noise. People speak fast. Sentences are incomplete. Yet you understand. Why? Because your brain recognizes patterns. This ability was built through years of listening, not grammar study. English works the same way. Your brain needs exposure, not pressure. When you hear the same sentence structure again and again, your brain stores it. One day the sentence comes out naturally. That is not magic, that is memory. Repetition creates familiarity. Familiarity creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. Trust the listening process. Do not stop listening just because you do not understand everything. Understanding everything is not the goal. Understanding something is enough. Even catching the situation, emotion, or main idea is progress. When you listen, notice who is speaking, their emotion, the topic, the general situation. These clues help our brain understand without translation. Trust the process. Your brain is learning when you feel lost. English fluency is not built by waiting, it is built by speaking imperfectly and listening consistently. Speak today, listen daily, allow mistakes, trust small steps. English does not become perfect first, it becomes usable first, and that is where real fluency begins. Thanks.